Stop blaming your raised bed. It's not the box, it's the system. Do this and your beds will explode with growth. Most beds fail from 3 things: weak soil, wasted space, wild watering. Let me show you the fix. First, sun. Map your bed. Morning, noon, afternoon. Tall crops north side. Short crops south. Boom, no shade bullies. Now the engine, soil. 40% compost, 40% cocoa coir or peat, 20% perlite, 1 cup worm castings. Slow release organic fertilizer per square foot. Aim for pH 6.0 to 7.0. Use a cheap soil test. Water like a pro. Deep, infrequent. Drip line. Soaker hose. Under 2 inches of mulch. When the top inch is dry, soak to 6 to 8 inches. Morning only. Fix the space problem. Garden in grids. 1 square foot, jarsh, 1 big plant. Lettuce. 4 medium, beets. 16 small, radishes. Interplant. Basil under tomatoes. Green onions between peppers. Radishes with carrots as markers. Add a vertical trellis on the north edge. Cucumbers. Peas. Pole beans. Keep production rolling. Succession plant. As soon as you harvest, replant that spot. Radishes out. Drop in bush beans. Lettuce tired, swap for chard. Heat and pests, add simple hoops. Spring frost, plastic or row cover. Summer scorch, clip 30% shade cloth. Bugs, use insect netting, not sprays. Quick maintenance, prune yellow tomato leaves. Harvest in the morning. Feed with compost tea every 2 weeks. This weekend, rebuild 1 bed with the mix. Add drip, add mulch, add a trellis. Then grid it, interplant. Set up successions. Drop your before/after in the comments. Hit subscribe if you want more high-yield hacks. Let's turn that box into a harvest machine.